the nose rings and the tattoos printed on their backs. I'll be skating around town, cursing so fluently. You think I'm speaking French?
One day I'll be wearing a fluffy dress and ordering my scullery maid to serve me tea on time tomorrow. My crown will shine threateningly as I walk up and down the castle floors.
One day I'll be the old lady on the sidewalk, a little crazy on the inside, throwing apples at everyone that comes by my way to give me their cents and dollars because I don't need any sympathy.
One day I'll be a rock star, rocking the house down. Just me and my band doing our thing while the whole world watches at our feet. We'll create a new era and start a revolution.
One day I'll be the baker across the street, giving out free bread every Tuesday to children, wearing my dirty apron and smiling with my wrinkled brown eyes.
One day I'll be the boy breaking millions of hearts, staying up late hanging with my dudes, and breakdancing in the car park.
One day I'll be the nerd with thick glasses studying my life away, with no friends, no life, just me and my books.
One day I'll be the tiny and forgotten salesgirl, working at the Chanel place in the gigantic shopping mall, quietly folding shirt after shirt. The surrounding conversations drowning my existence.
One day I'll be the one staying up late with the puffy red eyes, nursing a broken heart. One day, maybe, I'll just be me. down and cry, or open your eyes? What would you do if today was the end? Would you party all night or hold your loved ones tight? Because the hardest thing about death is leaving and leaving everything behind. What would you do if today was the end? Would you buy all the pretty little things you never had, or throw everything away? What would you do if today was the end? Would you choose to forget or replay all of those memories? What would I do if today was the end? I would tell you I love you so much. I would tell you I love you no matter what happens after. And at that moment, we'd realize what fools we've been for only feeling now. But it's too late. It's the end of our book, the end of our story. The end.
Y tú no estás una vez más. Yo sigo aquí, pero sin ti.
Ang tao nakatira sa iisang mundo. Ang mundo nagsisiksikan sa dami ng tao. Ang tao, maraming bagay ang na-invento. Minsan nakakabuti, minsan nakakaperwisyo. Ang mundo, pinerwisyo ng mga na-invento. Ang mga tao, nakinabang sa yaman ng mundo. Ang benepisyo, inabuso ng mga tao. Kaya ang perwisyo. Inararo ang mundo. Bakit ganon sa mundo? Bakit ganon ang tao? Bakit ganon kanyang imbento? Para hindi makatao. Nakakatakot si balang araw. Ang tao at kanyang imbento lalamunin ng mundo. Pasintabi sa nagpapakatao, mukhang tao, dating tao, at nagpapanggap na tao. Ang tao sa mundo at ang kanyang invento ni Andrew Bonifacio Elcliffe.
עד שהשמש תכבה ב7 בבוקר, אשחה במתיקות שלך, עד שהים